and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is gonna be last color from the rainbow series and it's violet. So let's get started. I'm using this magenta violet color all over my eyelids first as a base. So I've already prepped my eyelids for eyeshadows, so I'm directly using my eyeshadows. So I'll make sure this color is placed until my crease line, and then I'll be blending it then and there itself as I'm applying. So I'll be doing same on the other eye as well. So once I was done placing and blending the eyeshadows, I'm moving on with this bright purple color. So I'll be placing this color all over the base color, and you can see how it will instantly enhance your eyeshadows and it gives you that vibrant effect. So if you are using any eyeshadows, you can use like a base color, and then on top you can use the actual color, then it will definitely enhance and give you that vibrant effect. So yes, after that I did blend my eyeshadows and I'm reapplying the purple eyeshadow one more time with my fingers, and this eyeshadows work amazing with the fingers. And then I'm using this light pink color in the middle of my eyelids, so this will give you that halo effect and it looks so pretty when you blink. So I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids, that's a middle of my eyelids, and then I'll be blending it with the purple color. So I'm just blending and reapplying all the colors like you can see here. So blending is the only key, you just don't need that harsh edges, so make sure you blend your eyeshadows well. After that I did wipe off my fallouts and I'm applying primer. After that I'm using this L'Oreal foundation. I'll be dotting it all over my face, and then I'll be using setting spray on this beauty blender, and I'm making sure it's all blended nicely into my skin. After that I did apply concealer, and then on top I'm using this ADS banana powder to set my face. So lighting in this video will go up and down because the weather was going crazy, it has its own rules and it was raining heavily, so please excuse me for that, and I had to use a ring light at the last. So yes, I did apply white kajal on my waterline, and then I'm using mascara for my lower lashes and upper lashes. After that I'm using this essence blush for my cheekbones. I'm just going to apply it on the apples of the cheeks, and then I'll make sure it's all blended nicely. After that, using this INCOLOR highlighter, so I'll be highlighting my highest points and my inner corners and on my brow bone as well. And here comes the star of the show. It's NYX soft matte lip cream. This is in purple color and it looks so pretty in real. So yes, with that we finished this look, and I did set my face with the setting spray and making sure everything is blended nicely into my skin. So we are done with this 7-day 7 colors challenge using all rainbow colors. And yes, with that I'll wrap this video. If you haven't seen all my videos, I'll provide the link in the description box. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and watch all my videos if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Bye.